Hi family, hey everyone. I want to share with you a quick tutorial on how to make a breast cancer awareness ribbon napkin. Okay, so I have this pink satin napkin here. Okay, and I'm going to turn it and bring up the corners like this, make a triangle. All right, so we're going to, from the short end here, we're just going to roll it up, maybe about half an inch for each fold or each roll. Rolling on up like that, okay? And then just going to flip it over. And I put my napkin ring on here. Slip it through the napkin ring. And we're going to turn it over. And that's how you make the breast cancer awareness ribbon napkin.